start with sine rule. Now, sine rule, first thing, the formula for sine rule is A over sine of angle A equals to B over sine of angle B equals to C over sine of angle C. Now, let's say we have this triangle over here, angle A, angle B, angle C, side A, side B, side C. Now, the sine rule is applicable on those triangles which are firstly not right angle triangles. Sine rule and cosine rules are used for non-right angle triangles. That is why we introduced these two formulas. Otherwise, you can always use the Pythagoras theorem, but in this case, we can't. So in sine rule, the conditions are that they would give you, for example, angle C, which is, let's say, 30 degrees. And they would give you angle A, which is 60 degrees. So now they say that A is 13 centimeters, but they want you to find the length of C. So in this case, we can apply the sine rule. For the sine rule, what we need is for one angle, like for one point, it's angle and side. And then for the other point, like they might ask for that point's side or angle. So we need at least one thing from that in order to solve the question. Okay?
Okay.
So now in this case, if we had to find the length of C, what would we do? How would we write this?
So you would do C over sine 30 equals to 13 over sine 60, and then you would multiply 13 by sine 30 so that you get C equals to 13 times sine 30 over sine 60. And then after you solve that, which I will do right now, 1 second. Yeah, you just get the answer for C.
Yeah.
Which is 7.5
Okay.
centimeters.
Okay. So that's C. So now we have the length of C. Now they can ask you find angle B. How would we do that?
Find angle, which angle?
Angle B. Yeah.
So you would do sine B over, first you need to find the length of B, right?
But it's easier to find the angle of B rather than the length of B first, because as we know that the sum of angles is 180, right? So
Oh yeah.
we have two angles like
Yeah.
already. So we do 180 minus 60 minus 30 equals to 90.
90.
So B would be 90. And now we find side B.
Okay. So B over sine 90 equals to equals to 13 over sine 60. B equals to 13 times sine 90 over sine 60. And then B equals to 15.
That's right. So that's how you would do these questions. This is the basic thing that it would ask you for sine, because all they would ask you is either find the length or the angle, and you should just know which conditions are applicable on the given triangle. Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now let's move on to the cosine rule. So first thing first, this formula for cosine rule is c square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos angle c. So this formula is with respect to this triangle. So once again, point A, point B, point C, these are the lengths. And now you apply the cosine rule when you're given one angle. Sides are the sides between which that angle lies. And when we need to find the opposite, not the opposite, the corresponding side. Find the corresponding side. So that would be, let's say they say that angle A is 75 degrees. They're saying that B is 10 and C is 12. They want you to find side A.
Yeah.
So in this case, you can apply the cosine rule.
Yeah. Okay. Should I do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so a squared equals to 10 squared plus 12 squared. Subtract 2 times 10 times 12, cos 75. And then, 1 second, B, one moment. That would be 181.9, and then like I'll do the inverted cos, which would be
No, but you don't need to
sorry,
inverted cos.
square root of 181.9, which is 13.5.
Correct. So this is how you would find the length in this case. Now it can be the opposite as well. They can give you the three sides and they could ask you the measurement of one angle. So play with the formula according to the given question. Okay?
Yeah.
Any questions about this?
No.
Okay. For the area of the triangle, non-right angle once again. So with the right angle triangle, what was the formula then?
For the right angled, length times width over 2.
That's right. So in this case, the conditions are the same as it was in the cosine rule. The formula is firstly 102 AB sine C. So in this case, you need to have length of two sides and the angle between it. Only then you can apply this formula, otherwise we can't. Okay?
Yeah.